Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon K. And in this lesson, we'll continue the series of videos we've been starting earlier concerning les préfixes et les verbes. Okay, and in this video, we'll focus on the verb porter, and that's how it could be translated. Okay, so the idea is that we will add some letters before, and then by adding these letters, the original meaning of the verb will be modified. Okay, so let's see now. The first one, so if you add this ap, you will get apporter, apporter. Okay, that's actually a translation of this verb, apporter. Okay, then we can add C-O-M, so comporter, 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 okay, and that's the translation here. Or it could be se comporter, okay, se comporter. And you have here the meaning of this verb. Then it's possible to add em, so you will get the emporter, okay, emporter. And here is the translation. Exporter, exporter. Well, this one is actually quite easy to translate, okay? Exporter. Then it's possible to use this im in front, so importer, importer. Okay, you can hear the translations. Then it's possible to use this rap, so rapporter, rapporter. And also it's possible to use this rem, remporter, okay, remporter, remporter. You can also add this sup in front of porter, supporter, supporter. You don't really pronounce the two or the double p here. Supporter. Or then it's possible to use this or to add this trans, transporter, transporter, transporter. You can also use this rap, rapporter, rapporter. So same thing here, you don't pronounce the double p. Rapporter. And that's it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, or then like me on Facebook. I will be so happy. www.facebook.com/imagier.net. Okay, and the website is right here and it's waiting for you. Have a great day. Bye bye.